Hi guys, my name is Dida and welcome to my channel. For today's video, guys, Fenty Beauty.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
Yeah, Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. So this is the new Fenty Beauty Hydrating Longwear Foundation. It costs $35. It comes in 50 shades, like 50 shades. And what's like, I feel that Rihanna every time comes with something new. What is new? It's not only its hydrating foundation. It's also the new thing is when the shade that you have in the matte side, like the matte version of this foundation, is the same shade. Like if you are 120 in matte foundation, her first launch, you are the same shade in the hydrating one. So if you are at 120, it will be 120 in the hydrating one. And this is make it so easy, you know, to find your shade. So you don't need to look for, test, try new things. It's awesome. So here is the packaging, guys. It's a tube, plastic packaging tube with a pump. And to be honest with you, when I got this in the mail, I felt that it sounds really small, like really small. It doesn't mean that the amount inside is a small amount, not at all. It just feels small, like it sounds small. Her matte foundation, wait a moment. Here is the matte version and his is the hydrating version. So here it is. Yes. This is the Soft Matte Pro Filter Foundation. So here is the difference. So let's try it. I gotta use the same, I'm sorry, I didn't pick the primer because honestly, it's expensive. But she also comes with the new primer, a hydrating primer, and I think 2 new primers, I think. But honestly, I just want to try it with my own primer to see if you guys, like, you have to choose, of course, between the foundation and the primer. I'm sure that you will pick like the foundation. I mean, this is a foundation review, not a primer review, and I want to see if it works with mine. So let's just do it with my normal primer. There is a pump, awesome. Let's go. Here it is. It's a little bit liquidy, but not that much. Honestly, not that much. This is how I usually do my foundation. I use my sponge. There is a smell. Not the same like the matte foundation, but it doesn't disturb. So here it is. As you see, it's not that full coverage. It's medium to full coverage, so it claims that you can build it. So here it is, without, with, without, with. Without. It sounds good. It's a little bit sticky, not that much. And yeah, honestly, it sounds like your skin. And let's do the other side and I will maybe see. So here it is. I just want to see if we can build it more because actually it's like natural finish, you know. So I really want to see if we can build it. Like for me, there is so many launches, guys, and all of them claims like that they have this natural finish, medium coverage. Actually, it's light coverage for me. It's not a medium, but light. And I want to just see if we can build it. And to be honest with you, more you let it on your skin, it's really weird, and more you feel that the coverage is here. I just wanna try to see if I can build it. Leave it. So here it is, but I use like 4 pumps, to be honest, 4 pumps, and yeah, it's buildable. It's buildable. I have more coverage than the beginning, of course. It's buildable. I like it. Till now, it's okay. Let's see if with concealer, powder, contouring, blah blah blah, all these things, it will work together. Because this is the real like test, of course. I'm gonna do all this out of camera and I'll be back. See you. So guys, here is the final look. So what I think about it, honestly, I like it. Like really, it's the kind of foundation that I like. I'm not in the matte side of foundation. I'm not that full coverage foundation. So of course, I like it. Now, to be honest with you, since I've tried Dose of Color one, Urban Decay one, and this one, I think I prefer, till now I prefer Dose of Color. From the 3 I've tested, Dose of Color is my favorite for me. For my type of skin, it's really personal decision. But honestly, it's a really good foundation. Here it is.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright.
And yeah, it's really good, great foundation. I have nothing to say about it. Like, for me, it's okay. I really like it. I will keep it, of course, and because I'm a makeup junkie. I like it like that. Nothing new. So hope guys this video helped you, and please, if you like those kinds of video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on social media. Love you so much. Big kiss.